Hello guys, welcome to SAP Master. Our today's topic is SAP ECC FI transaction codes. So this transaction codes has to be prepared before going or appearing for an interview which is in SAP domain, anything related to SAP FI or consulting roles in any of the organizations like EY, Capgemini, TCS and all the tech giants who requires the SAP consultant. So today we will start with some of the basic transaction codes. So basically this transaction codes, whenever we enter in the field in SAP ECC screen, so we land up to the same topic. Example first is, so here first transaction code in under enterprise structure is creation of company code. So creation of company code is the initial task which we are required to execute in SAP FI or any of the modules. So creation of company, we will use OX15 as a transaction codes. So whenever we will enter this OX15 in the field of SAP page, we will land up to the page where we will be able to create company. Second is creation of company code. Transaction code is OX02. Third is OX16, which is for assigning company code to company. Fourth is OX03 for creation of business area. Fifth is OB29, which is for creation of fiscal year variants. And sixth one is OB37. It is for assigning company code to fiscal year variant. Fiscal year variants are basically the periods or financial year periods which we use for putting or posting a transaction. Seventh is creation of chart of accounts. Transaction code is OB13. Eighth is assigning company code to chart of accounts. Transaction code is OB62. Ninth is define account group. Transaction code is OBD4. 10th is define retain earning account. Transaction code is OB53. 11 is define posting period. Transaction code is OBB0. Sorry, I have mistaken. It is OBBO. 12th is assign company code to posting period variant. Transaction code is OBBP. 13th is open and close posting period and the transaction code is OB52. 14th is define document type. So the transaction code is OBA7. 15th is define number range. Transaction code is FBN1. 16th is define tolerance group for the number range. It is OBA0. This is the transaction code for defining transaction group. 17th is define tolerance group for employees and the transaction code is OBE4. 18th is assign users to tolerance group and the transaction code is OB57. 19th is assign country to calculation procedures. So basically respective countries, example USA, Sweden, Switzerland, Turkey and any European countries, Asian countries. So they have different calculation procedures in respect of taxation, respect of the procedure of payments. So the transaction code is OBBG. 20th is enter global parameters and the transaction code is OBY6. 21 check exchange rate type. The transaction code is OB07. 22 is define translation. Right. So 22 is define translation ratios for currency translation and the transaction code is OBBS. Alright. 23 is for enter exchange rates. So transactional code is OB08. Number 24 is specify default exchange rate type in document type. So OBA7 is the transaction code, T code. Number 25 is creation of GL accounts at chart of account level. So the T code is FSP0. Number 26 is creation of general ledger account in company code level, and the T code for this is FSS0. Number 27 is creation of general ledger account centrally, and the transaction code is FS00. Alright, so there are 8 categories which I have mentioned in this video for document posting. So first is general ledger document position. Transaction code is F02. Second is post outgoing payments for general ledger account, and T code is F07. Third is general ledger posting enjoyed transactions. T code is FB50. Number 4th is posting a document with reference to another documents, and the T code is FBR2. 5th is display document. T code is FB03. Number 6th is change document, and T code for this is FB02. Number 7 is display GL accounts balances, and the transaction code is FS10N. Number 8 is display general ledger account balance for open item management, and transaction code is FBL3N. So here we will stop, and these are the basic T codes which are asked in interview, or which is also help us to proceed with the executing the activity as a consultant, as a SAP FI consultant in any organization. So here we will stop, and thank you so much for your time.